Most welding suppliers are just resellers. Copper Bridge is different. Copper Bridge is a factory direct welding consumables brand built around one goal: helping welders get their wire without the unnecessary middleman markup. Our manufacturing background goes back decades, with large-scale production of MIG wire, flux-cored wire, stick electrodes, TIG rods, and other welding materials used by customers around the world. From wire processing to electrode production, packaging, and quality control, every product is made with consistency, performance, and reliability in mind. That manufacturing scale matters. It means strong supply, better pricing, and more direct connection between the factory and the welder. Today, Copper Bridge brings the factory direct advantage to American welders, fabrication shops, repair businesses, contractors, and distributors. With inventory stocked in our California warehouse, customers can get their welding supplies they need without waiting on long overseas lead time. We offer fast nationwide shipping, wholesale options, and local support from our Riverside office. Whether you need a single box, full cases, or pallet quantities, we are built to keep your shop stocked and your work moving. Copper Bridge keeps welders supplied with the consumables they count on every day: MIG wire, flux-cored wire, stick electrodes, and TIG rods. Factory direct welding consumables stocked in California, ready to ship nationwide. Built for welders, ready for work.